In this guide, we're going over how to post a live photo on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up Instagram and you need to go ahead and go over to either the story, a post, whatever it might be. So essentially select the plus icon, and I'm just going to use the story to demonstrate this, right? You're going to go on here, it's going to look something like this for you, and you can either go ahead and take a live photo, or you can go ahead and select one. Let's go ahead and select a live photo real quickly. We'll do this one right here. You'll notice it's a live photo because it's going to have like an infinity symbol on the left. Go ahead and select that. It's then going to pop up with the page. It looks like this. And then to actually make it a live photo, you need to look for that same infinity icon over here. And then it'll put it in either boomerang. You could also put it in slow-mo. It really is completely up to you. But that's the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. Just go through, select it. Whenever you're ready, hit done, and then you could go ahead and post it as well. That is it. That is the full process. It really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. It lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.